Namaste, I am Harsha. I am representing LGS Research Foundation. This video is briefing the field works in the activity category number 4, tourism promotion approaches. Okay, so here as we can see here in all the 16 categories listed by VTU, whatever the format followed by LGS Research Foundation, the format is same. That means the architecture is same. We have 10 tasks, out of which task 3 and task 4 is the practical task. So student can answer or submit the answers from wherever they are. Theoretical, that means task number 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Student can submit from wherever they are. That means from their home, PG or hostels. However, for task number 3 and task number 4, the field works are needed. How these field works can be carried out, that will be listed in this section. Students need not to visit our office for the implementation. They can implement from wherever they are. This is the activity category selected, tourism promotion innovative approaches. And the title available at LGS Research Foundation is Atiti Devo Bhavaha, a tourist site and its aesthetic values. So task number 3, the survey need to be conducted with 10 different public individuals. And task number 4, student need to visit to any unpopular and less crowded nearby tourist site. Students need not to go outskirts, need not to travel far distance. Within 5 kilometer or 3 kilometer radius of students location, they need to identify any unpopular and less crowded potential tourist spot, and they have to visit that location. So as I mentioned in the left column, upon completing all the 10 tasks, we will issue a report that contains certificate, theoretical and practical proofs. And the objective of this activity is student has to identify any unpopular and uncrowded tourist spot. He has to analyze why this place is not attracting the tourists or visitors, and he has to analyze how this can be enhanced with the more and more tourism visitors. So that is the objective behind this activity. There is no need to visit already popular places, for example Mysore Palace, Vidhan Saudha, Lal Bagh. All these are already crowded and popular places. There is no point in visiting them and doing a activity. There would be a unpopular or unexplored tourist spots. You, for that you need not to go out of the Bangalore or out of the Mysore, Tumkur, something like that. No need to go out of your location. Wherever you are, whether you are in hometown or whether you are in PG or hostels, from your location within 5 kilometer radius, there will be one or other locations which is potential tourist spot but which is unpopular and less crowded, like temples, mosques, or then any lakes, man-made lakes, kalyanis, and then in such places, historical places, monuments, such places, they are not attracting visitors as such. So you can just visit that place and do an activity there, right? So social issue to be understood here is identification of nearby unpopular and less crowded spot. Explore the reason for unpopularity and the technology gap, like present government schemes to make a local tourist spot popular. You have to consider that, and then student has to suggest a possible engineering solution. Student will be submitting the theory answers, like answers to case study questions, solution as a public, solution as an IAS officer, as an engineer, startup idea, and the financial requisites needed to convert this idea to company. Field works needed are survey is needed with 10 individuals, and student has to visit to nearby unpopular and less crowded tourist spot. Under the task number 3, student has to conduct survey with 10 different individuals. This is the format. In this case, student has visited a location and he has conducted the survey. There is no mandation that survey has to be conducted with the tourist in the tourist spot. Survey can be conducted anywhere with any person, but classmates and college mates, lecturers are not allowed. While conducting the survey, there is no need to hand over any awareness sheet. just to stand next to that surveyed person and capture the photo. There is no need to create any awareness sheet similar to the activities we have in other activity categories. Task number 4, field visit. The question would be where visit is needed. Student can visit to any nearby unpopular and less crowded tourist spot. It may be in the rural, urban or hometown of the student. It can be historic, religious, environmental or adventurous spot. It can be student location must be the visited location must be unpopular and less crowded. And student, please do not travel far distance. Do not take risk. Trekking spots are not allowed. I'm repeating again, trekking spots are not allowed. It is highly riskier, and we are not held responsible for if you are uh, uh, any uh, unfortunate things happen over there. Okay, do not go travel or do not visit the such adventurous spots. Okay, student can visit, try to identify the spot within the 5 kilometer radius of their own location. Okay, and 3 photos are to be captured and 10 questions are to be answered, and these are the questions and these are the 3 photos that has to be submitted on the mobile application. These questions you can just analyze from the visited location. Okay, sample field visit photos. So these are the 3. The student has visited a monument in the Malleshwaram, and then he tried to explore how the infrastructure is available there, what are the facilities available over there. Okay, these 3 photos are sample photos. What's next? If you want to know the summary or objective of other activities, watch the summary videos under the other folders. If you want to purchase the activity, follow the video user manual how to purchase and continue the activity. Thank you.